Hello बच्चों, so let's read this question. Match the columns. Column 1 and column 2. Column 1 में sulfur vapors pass through cold water. Soap mixed with water above critical missile concentration. C. White of egg whipped with water. D. Soap mixed with water below critical missile concentration. And column 2. P. Normal electrolyte solution. Q. Molecular colloids, R. Associated colloids, and S. Macromolecular colloids. And these are the options that have been given to us. Now let us look at the explanation of the question. पहले हम समझते हैं what are colloids or colloidal solution. Collide are mixtures in which microscopically dispersed insoluble particles of one substance are suspended in another substance. Now, if we look into the definition of an electrolyte, क्योंकि ये फर्स्ट ऑप्शन हमें कॉलम नंबर 2 में दे रखा है normal electrolyte solution. Now, if we look into the definition of electrolyte, we know that electrolyte, a substance that breaks up into ions when it is dissolved in water. Now, if we talk about the options that are given to us in the question, we know that soap mixed with water below missile concentration, critical missile concentration, which is CNC, is known as normal electrolyte solution. So if we want to match option number P with the options in column 1, तो हमारा option number B will match with option number P, soap mixed with water below critical missile formation. So it will be option number D. D will be the answer for P. And if we talk about other substances like molecular colloids, now let us talk about molecular colloids. Molecular colloids, they are a mixture of two or more substances in which one substance is divided into minute particles. और इन minute particles की range होती है 1 to 1000 nanometer in diameter and is displaced into another. Now, if we talk about the options that are given to us in column 1, तो हम देखेंगे that when sulfur vapor passes through cold water, it leads to the formation of molecular collides. Formation of molecular collides. Now, if we look into the columns that are given to us, अगर हम देखें तो हमारा जो ऑप्शन Q है, it will match with sulfur vapors pass through cold water. A. Now let us look into the other options. It is associated collides. So let us discuss about associated collides first. So we know that associated collides. We know that associated collides are those collides which behave as normal strong electrolyte at low concentrations but exhibit colloidal properties at higher concentration. At higher concentrations due to the formation of aggregated particles. These aggregated particles thus form are called micelles. These aggregated particles are called micelles. These agents form micelles when present in solution at a concentration greater than critical micelle concentration, which is CMC, greater than critical micellization concentration. And minimum temperature required for the formation of minimum temperature required for the formation of missile is known as craft temperature. So this is all about our associated collides. Now if we talk about the options that are given to us in column 1, अगर हम उसकी बात करें, so we can see that when soap is mixed with when soap is mixed with water above critical missile concentration, it leads to the formation of associated colloids. To the formation of associated colloids. तो अगर हमें ऑप्शंस मैच करने हो तो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर आर will match with option number B. Now let us talk about macromolecular colloids. Macromolecular, they form a suitable, they form solutions in a suitable solvent in which the size of the macromolecules may be in colloidal range. Such colloids are known as macromolecular colloids. Such colloids are known as macromolecular colloids. These colloids are quite stable and resemble true solutions. Now, if we talk about the options that are given to us in column 1, then resemble true solutions. We can say that white part of the egg whipped with water is an example of macromolecular colloids in which high molecular mass proteinous molecule act as colloidal particle. Proteinous molecule act as colloidal particle. Now, if we want to match this option with columns given to us, तो हम कह सकते हैं that option S matches with C. White of egg whipped with water. So हमारा code बना A matches with Q, B matches with R, C matches with S, and D matches with P. So our for A option is the right answer to the question. I hope you understood the question well. Best of luck.